Bro, bro, what if we...
Are you okay?
Bro, that fucking joint hit back, babe. You hit that shit and she hit back.
It done made me turn into a booty clapper. Out on Poppy outside.
What the fuck is up, vlog? Oh my god, there's no way I'm wearing this.
What are you talking about? I'm wearing the same outfit I wore fucking forever ago.
The fuck is up, vlog? Not gonna lie, it's not that cute of a day today, alright? Don't get your hopes up now. Get in here, you dummy. There's a bag of Cheetos.
Okay, and who was eating the Cheetos last night?
Bitch, the fucking you were.
No.
Yes, huh?
Oh, I was.
Today is not a cute day, let me tell you. We woke up at 2 p.m.
2 p.m.
We really needed to sleep, apparently.
Daylight savings.
Daylight savings.
We only woke up at 1
The daylight was saved. We ate literally a tortilla with melted cheese in it for breakfast.
And coffee.
Trevor's mom did bring us coffee, which was so cute and bae of her.
Shut up, mama.
Now, we're about to work on this masterpiece. What the fuck? Okay, don't look at this little crusty thing on my shirt, but we're about to work on this masterpiece, okay? If you can see, it's like messy right now, but that's how it's supposed to be because I'm gonna line everything, so. I was outside.
Turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody.
The updated painting. She's getting somewhere, okay?
She's getting somewhere for sure.
Babe, can you fix my hair for me?
How's that look?
Oh, I forgot I showered. My hair smells good.
Oh yeah. It does.
Will you take it out of its ponytail?
Let me get all the lights out. Wait, eat them like the monkeys.
Yeah.
What else going on? Alright, babe, what are we making for dinner?
I wasn't telling Trevor because...
Well, I'm not here technically. I'm just holding the camera.
Well, let me preface what I was going to say.
Okay.
I wasn't telling Trevor because we haven't had groceries and we've just been putting off our big grocery haul. We're going to do it like tonight probably. And so I've been really creative with the dinners lately because I've just been using everything we have in our pantry. And tonight I'm going to make fettuccine alfredo with sun-dried tomatoes and broccoli and garlic bread.
That sounds really good. Yeah.
Would you be fine with your broccoli in your pasta?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
This is what your life looks like when you have a 5-star chef cooking for you every day.
Can we add this?
Ooh, yes. Out there?
No, I just thought of that.
Oh yeah, no, I was thinking about it earlier. It was. Yeah, I don't see any mustard powder right there.
Perfect. Better. I had like maybe 3 of these.
Holy shit, let's get a fucking...
It's so messy though, so it doesn't look that cute.
Oh my gosh. That looks fucking delicious though. But not only that, she's a little, got a little extra TLC on her tonight. But, nonetheless, that's fucking garlic bread, baby.
That's garlic bread, baby.
Chef Jay in the cut, part 85,000.
Okay, I just decided I wanted to make brownies, so that's what I'm doing. eggs. And a 4th cup of cocoa powder. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a homemade like salted caramel sauce to drizzle over the brownies because that sounds bomb. Okay, if I burn my house down, I want it on camera, so it's fingers crossed, knock on wood. Fucking scared me.
Of course it's fucking all the way over there. There you go. I got something for you.
Oh, do you see this? Fucking yum, bitch. And I made a caramel sauce for later. Good night, vlog. We'll see you tomorrow.